Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Now I've got a couple of bags of a Happy Meal and I did tape over Terry's address on here. Now these are from a lady called Terry Clark and I'm just going to open these up and see what it is. And believe it or not, these came on my birthday. It's my birthday the other day and these got delivered on my birthday. And oh, look at that. Look at that. Never seen that brand before. Alizé Puffy Colour. Oh, it's really pretty. It's really soft. Oh, it's loops. Oh, do you know? Oh, I've really been wanting to try this. What you do with this is when oh, it's strange to explain, but what you do is you loop that one into that one, and then you've got your next line, and that loop goes into that one. I need to show you. Really need to do a video on this because this is so pretty. This that you can just crochet with it and or knit with it, and you've got your loops on the end. But I've seen other ones done where it's all looped together. Oh, it's pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. That's going to be fun. It's going to be fun working with that. And you can just make loopy things like I've said with that. Oh, look at the colours in it. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks like a little bag of sweets, doesn't it? Oh, that's really nice. And there's a little blanket there. I don't know if the pattern's inside it. It's all in a foreign language. Oh, it shows you there what you do with it. That you loop it together, soft and quick. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to show you how to do this. I'll need to do. Thank you very much, Terry, for this. Thank you very much. Mutley's down there growling. You can hear him growling, and it's because he wants the bag. He wants the bag. I'll pop that there. That is so pretty. Oh, look at this. Look at the colours in this bag. Oh, that is a beautiful colour. It says New York. It's like a cotton, but it's really shiny. Oh, look at the bag in a minute. Look at that. It's so shiny. That is so pretty. It's soft as well. It's quite a metallic in it. Oh, I'll need to get my head going to see what we can do with that. It's so pretty. And again, it's I can't even say that word. I'm not even going. I knew that's no. I know that's New York. It is 40% cotton and 40% viscose with 20% lurex. There's 100 grams in it, and that's 350 meters. There's no specific colour, it's just a number, and it says number 16. Look at that, it's beautiful. Look at the shade of blue. I'll pop that there. Oh, look at this one. Oh, look at that. Flamingo cotton and lace. Oh, look at that. Look. These are so strange. My goodness, I've never seen anything like that. Look at that. That's so pretty. It's almost like a ribbon. It's almost like a ribbon. Oh, that's really nice. 100 grams. That's all it says on it. Flamingo cotton and lace. I take it that means lace. Oh, that's pretty. Right, we'll just get this bag emptied so Motley. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that really is. I wonder how that's going to work up. It's like a little tube actually when you look at it. It's like a little tube. It's like it's double-sided. It's really pretty. I'll get you the bag. Do you want the bag? He's looking for his ball. Oh, look at that. That's a little 3-ply cotton. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the colour in that. It's got 3 bears yarn on it. That's so pretty. I like that. Do you want the bag? Right, well hurry up. We'll get this one empty. Oh, there's another one. There's a red one. And that, it's a 50, I think it's 50 grams. It's a 50 grams 50-gram ball. It's called Affection, and it's by Three Bears. We'll have a look. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the look at that colour. I'm going to take these out. Oh, that's so pretty. And so look at the green, it's beautiful. Oh, that's nice as well. Do you know what I've been going to do? And I've been looking for a nice bright red. I've been going to do some poppies because it'll soon be poppy day. Oh, that's pretty as well. I'll pop them just down there just now and I'll show you them again. I want to give the bag to Muttley. Right, there you go, Muttley. Where's your ball? So we might hear a bit of noise in the background, but it's just going to be Muttley with the bag. Right, there we go. There we are. It's going to keep him quiet. Look at these colours. Look at these. These are so pretty. There's two of each and there's 50 grams in each one. And then there's that yellow one again. That is so pretty. It's beautiful. It tells you to use a 2.75 hook. It's a really small hook, but it's going to be really dainty. That is so pretty. It's 50 grams in there. It says you can weave, you can knit, or you can crochet with it. I've never heard of Three Bears yarn. I've never heard of that. That's brilliant. Oh, look at that. Right, I'm going to pop those off to the side. We'll just pop them there. We've got another bag to open. And this is really pretty. This is really soft as well. And it's one of those, oh, look at that. That's really nice, that. It's like a ribbon as well. That's really pretty. What does that look like when it's crocheted up? It'll be round. That's nice. It says Madame Tricot. Ziga, whatever that is. Ziga. Sounds very oriental, Ziga. That's pretty. I love the colours in it. Look at those colours, they're so pretty. And look at those rainbow colours, they're so bright. Thank you very much, Terry. Right, I'm going to open this bag and we'll see what's in. No doubt Muttley will be back for this bag as well. I think at Christmas I'm just going to give him a bundle of carrier bags for Christmas. I'll keep him quiet. Get into this one. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I think that's a Loops and Threads. Or it's a Karen Simply Soft. Look at that. It's a Karen Simply Soft. And look at the shade of that. Oh, that is so pretty. I think this is the Duck Egg Blue. It's a robin's egg. I nearly got it right with a duck egg. I think it was an egg of some colour. That is so pretty. It's so pretty. I really like the Simply Soft yarn. It's got 6 ounces in it. That's 170 grams. So it is worth it and it's really soft and it's nice and shiny as well. Look at the shine on that. Makes beautiful, beautiful baby blankets. It's 100% acrylic and it's got 315 yards in it, 280 metres. That is so pretty. And you get a little pattern with it. It is a knitting pattern on those like round knitting needles. So I take it that's made in the round. That is so pretty. I like that. Squishy, squishy. I like it. Oh, I like it. What else have we got? Oh, oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, all these different yarns to try. It's one of those flamingo ones. And look at that. My goodness. Look at that. It's like it's made with like a metallic thread around it. And it's really soft in the middle there. It's like a velvet. That's really nice. That's quite unusual. It's going to be fun. It's really unusual, that. so unusual. That's pretty as well. But we go back to that one because I really like that. Look at that. But a lot of the time, if you've got yarn and you don't know what to do with it, if you Google it and you Google the brand, anytime a company's made a yarn, they usually do patterns to go with it. So it does give you some insight into what you can make with it. And I really like that. That'd make a nice scarf. Wouldn't it? A nice open scarf. That's pretty. You're not getting the other bag. No. Oh, look at the colours in this. Oh, this is so soft. Look at this. Oh, wow. Thick and quick. I've got some rude answers for that, Terry. This is homespun. It's a Lion brand. Stripes, it's called. And it's really nice and chunky. Look at that. Look at that. So soft as well. Tells you that you can make scarves, you can make blankets, and you can make hats with it. I don't know what these are. You can wash it, and I don't know if that means you can dry it or not. It's 88% acrylic and 12% polyester. And it's got, oh, if you go into lionbrand.com, there's over 6,003 patterns. So I'll need to go and look at that. This is called Celestial Stripes. Oh, it's really pretty. How many grams is in this? Now in the UK, we go by weight of the yarn. We go by the weight of it. It's got, it says it's 8 ounces, 227 grams. It's 160 yards or 146 meters. Look at that. That's so soft. It's a beautiful colour. Beautiful colour. Very Scottish. Very. Do you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the colours of the James C. Brett marble. The very first colourway stuff I got was a James C. Brett marble. And then I started to buy the Red Heart Stripes yarn. Oh, that is beautiful. So squidgy. I'll pop that to the side here. Is there still another one in you? Oh, look at this one. Right, you can have the bag, Muttley. There's one more. There you go. That's the bag empty. Muttley can have the bag. Look at that. Yarnspirations for Nan Mixed Baby. Look at that. Wow. What a mix. It really is a mix. Look at that. You've got one that's like t-shirt yarn, and then you've got this one that's like, it's got little loops around it. You've got this, the banana fuzzy stuff, the really fuzzy warm stuff. Look at that. That is going, oh, and there's a really soft fuzzy one in there. Look at that. I like that. I like t-shirt yarn. I like crocheting with t-shirt yarn. Look at that. And there's a blanket, a free pattern on the label. Oh, and it's a crochet pattern. It tells you for that pattern you need 4 balls of this. How much is in this? Now this one is called Aqua, and there's 225 grams in that. That's big enough to make a little, like a stroller blanket, or in the UK it's a pram. We call our strollers a pram, or a little car blanket for a car seat cover. That's enough to do that. It says to use a 6mm crochet hook. That's quite a large hook, but I think you could go even larger with that. That is so pretty. That's going to be unusual to work with. Oh, I'm going to enjoy using that. Thank you very much. Now the pattern says it's a lark's foot crochet baby blanket. That is so pretty. Thank you very much, Terry. Thank you very much. I'm really going to enjoy trying this out and doing it the way it showed. I've seen a couple of YouTube videos with this, and the way you put it out like a line. You bring your next line along and you just loop through the loops, and you can make it as wide as you like, and you just keep looping it and looping like this. So you'll loop that one through there, then you'll do another line, and then you'll loop that one through the next line that comes along, and that's all you do. You just keep looping it together, and then you end up with a lovely blanket. That's going to be fun. I'll need to try that. And it's brilliant. Thank you very much. Such a different array of yarn. I really like all these different types to try. A lot of the yarn that I got, I didn't I a lot of the yarns, I didn't buy things like this to try. I always just bought a solid colour of yarn. I was too frightened to buy a lot of this stuff in case I didn't know what to do with it. And but that's so pretty. It's pure white as well. It's a really white. I like that. That's really pretty. Maybe do a little baby hat or something. I've been asked to do a couple of those little baby hats with the ear flaps on them. So I might be doing that with that. With the red, I need the red for to make some poppies. And that's going to be brilliant. I really like this. And it's getting really cold here in Scotland. We are now in October, at the beginning of October, and it's getting cold. So I'm going to make myself a nice little scarf with that. And I'm really going to look forward to using that as well. And I've got that, there's that one as well. This is brilliant. Thank you so much, Terry. Thank you so much. And I really like that. So thank you so much. It's going to be fun. It's going to be really fun working with that. It really is. I need to do something with that one because I really like it. So thank you very much. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click on that subscribe button. And also, if you're doing a D-stash, or if you've got some fun yarn like this, then, and you don't want it, if you're doing a D-stash, send it my way. I'll put my email address on at the end of the video. Send me an email and just let me know, and I'll give you my address, because everybody likes all these happy mails, and it's brilliant when you're opening them up and you don't know what's in it. You get a real surprise every single time, and it's a delight. It really is. I love it, and it's great, and I really appreciate everyone sending me yarn, and it's brilliant to try out all these different yarns. And look at this, it's brilliant to try out all this different type of stuff, and I like that. I really do. That should still be enough for a little neck cowl or something like that. It is 100 grams, so it will be enough to do a neck cowl. And like I keep saying, don't worry if it's only like one ball. I'm going to find something to do with it. I really will. I crochet all the time, and I'm always looking for something else to crochet. A lot of my friends are like, can't keep up with you. What are you doing? What are you crocheting now? I can't keep up with you. But the more I crochet, it keeps my hands moving and all my joints. If I stop crocheting, all my joints just seize up in my hands, and it really helps. And all this extra yarn is fantastic. And I'm going to look forward to finding something to make with that as well. It's so pretty. It's a beautiful colour. Look, now I know a lot of people say don't mix your yarns, but look at that. Well, there's a testimony to that. I mean, look at the different yarns inside this bundle. And I think that and that is really pretty. And you can always double up thin yarn as well, and they go really pretty together. So that might be an idea as well. Got see, the ideas are coming into my head already. So anyway, once again, thank you very much for watching. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.